Hello. In this video, I will review the round levels indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator shows us price movements that are in a trend, meaning they have one or more zeros at the end. These price action can be very numerous on higher time frames like daily and make the chart very choppy, and on smaller time frames like medium they can be very few or non-existent.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
The main difference between this indicator and similar indicators is that it displays two of these main indicators in any time frame and one of the secondary indicators so that the chart is not too crowded. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the type of this SOTO that will be displayed on the chart. If it is on the figures option, it will only display the original text. If the figures and halves option is selected, it will show two of the main faces and a middle for surface between the two. If it is on all, it will also display two of the lines that are in the middle of these two lines and are under the quarter sign. This option, if set to true, will show these labels and the number that the price has on the chart, and if set to false, it won't display that number. The next option is for the different lines. This option displays the width of our figure lines or main lines, which by default is 2, and we can increase or decrease it. And we can set the style of these figure lines or main lines here. We can also make these settings for two other models of this style for the center line, where we can adjust its width and style, and for the quarter lines, where we can adjust its width and style.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The next option is for alerts. If you have these two options, this is also an option. It can be true or false and it works, but if it is false, the clone will not generate any alerts. The next option is for the alert as a message. If it is true, the alert will be displayed as a message on the screen. The alert will be issued when the price hits one of these levels. We can specify which level it hits and the alert will be issued in this alert type option. If it is on figures, only when the price and hits this main level. It generates alerts for us. If it's set to figures, it will trigger alerts for both hitting the main level and the middle level. If it's set to all, it will generate alerts for hitting all of these levels. If this option is true, it will play an audio file at the same time as the alert is issued. We can specify the name of the audio file here. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We can also use the MT4 version, and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's see the lie test and this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.